my PU2 aspirant. So here I am going to give you some fixed question that you must do for your upcoming board examination. So yes, without further delay, let's get started. So from the solution chapter, okay, so before starting, just let me give you one idea to boost up your marks in case you are not prepared well. So we have total 10 chapters, right? So if you just analyze them in accordance to your blueprint, so solution, chemical kinetics and electrochemistry, they are having the highest weightage, right? So in accordance to my suggestion, just go ahead with the solution and kinetics, okay, because they are comparatively easier. In inorganic chemistry, go ahead with the coordination chemistry, okay? So how many chapter? 1, 2, 3. Okay, next 3 chapters you can go ahead from the organic, haloalkanes, aldehyde and alcohols. So total 6 chapters. So in accordance to blueprint, that can give you total 63 plus marks. Okay, so in order to boost up further, go ahead with some important question from the amines. Okay, if you are confident, go ahead with the important questions of biomolecules and numericals problems of electrochemistry as well. That can guarantee 70 marks, or what do you say, 70 out of 70 out of marks in your upcoming examination. So please follow this strategy. Okay, so I am here to give you some fixed question. So definitely these are not the only questions, definitely more questions are there. These are, you can say, highly focused, most important question that you must go through. Along with that, definitely there are so many questions that I made individual video for the physical chemistry, inorganic, organic separately, that you can go through to boost up the clarity of individual chapters. So these are basically the fixed question. Here the numerical problems, MCQ will not be covered. Okay, so here you can see from the solution chapter, so these are the question zone that you can see. First, that boiling point, elevation of boiling point, that particular graph is very much important. Osmotic pressure related question, that is why osmotic pressure method is important rather than that of the other colligative method to calculate the molecular weight of biomolecules. Okay, next you can just find out the differentiation between the ideal, non-ideal solution, positive, negative deviation, maximum and minimum boiling azeotrope. Okay, some direct question from Henry's law and its application. Okay, they can ask you to write down the Raoult's law as well. Okay, next you can see, explain the desalination of water, that is related to the reverse osmosis, and here semi-permeable membrane, one of the use and one of the synthesized, artificially synthesized and natural semi-permeable membrane, you can remember. Next, from the chemical kinetics, here you can see collision theory, the criteria you have to remember, collision frequency definition you can remember, drawback of collision theory you can remember, catalyst, effect of catalyst with the graph you have to remember. Next you can see first order and zero order integrated rate equation derivation, 3 marker question you must do. Okay, next in the gas phase also first order equation you should do. Arrhenius equation is very much important, and whenever you are writing Arrhenius equation, make sure that you are going through the abbreviation as well. Okay, and first order and zero order reaction, all the related graphs you have to go through. Okay, next here you can see energy distribution curve showing the temperature dependence. Okay, that is the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. Okay, that you have to go through. Next, Arrhenius theory, activated complex by using potential energy diagram. Okay, so that H2 plus I2 will give you HI, that potential energy curve you have to show. Okay, next, factors affecting the rate of reaction, very important. Okay, so these are the theoretical question you can expect from this chapter. Next, from the electrochemistry, you can see the graph of molar conductivity versus root C for the strong and weak electrolyte, and you have to explain the limiting molar conductivity out of it, Faraday's first law, second law, then different type of cell, okay, their reaction, okay, lead storage battery, okay, different type of dry cell. Okay, so let's go ahead. Construction of standard hydrogen electrode, it's very much important. Its working principle is very much important. Why platinized platinum is platinized foil that is used for those cases, that is also you have to go through. Okay, so next H2O2 fuel cell is very much important. The effect of dilution in conductivity is very much important, and rusting, corrosion, these are very much important, and what are the things that you should do to prevent rusting or corrosion, that also important. Let's go. Cathodic reaction for the lead storage battery for both recharge and discharge. Okay, cold rush law you can go through, and the application of cold rush law as well. Next, D and F block, from here these are the question set you can go through, that is the catalytic properties, why transition metals shows catalytic properties. Okay, next mixed metal, next you can see magnetic moment calculation. Okay, next interstitial compound and what is the role, what is the physical and chemical properties of the interstitial compound. Okay, next transition metals form large number of compounds, why? Okay, complex compounds, why? Next you can see why study of actinides is important, lanthanide contraction, consequences of it. Okay, what is the reason of lanthanide contraction, and most importantly the potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate manufacture. Okay, these are the very important thing, and sometimes this question is also very much important for this year, why cerium shows +4 oxidation state. Okay, and highest oxidation state in the actinoids, and who are those elements that shows the highest oxidation state in actinides, that you have to go through. Okay, so next, differences between lanthanides, actinoids. Okay, so explain the color of the transition metal ions, like Zn2 plus is colorless, why? Right, Cu2 plus is colored, what is the reason? Okay, this related question you will get. Okay, now you can see here some different cases, like write balanced chemical reaction for the following case. First is reaction between potassium permanganate and iodide ion. Okay, iodide I minus and KMnO4. Okay, in acidic medium it forms I2, but in alkaline medium or in neutral medium it forms IO3 minus. Be careful about it. So two questions are very important. Okay, next, reaction between potassium permanganate and oxalate ion in acidic medium. Okay, that is also important one. Let's go to the coordination compounds. So postulates of Warner's coordination theory, very important. Okay, this compounds geometrical isomers draw, it's very important. Okay, if you are not confident enough about the inorganic, please do watch my video. I already made one individual video for entire inorganic chemistry. Okay, so here comes some definition with example based question. Okay, all type of isomerism. Okay, ambidentate ligand is very important, heteroleptic, homoleptic complex, both of them are important. Synergistic bond in metal carbonyl is very important. Okay, limitation of CFT and VBT is very important. Okay, so both octahedral and tetrahedral splittings are important, and you can see magnetic property, hybridization and geometry of this species. Okay, any one you can expect. Let's go ahead with the biomolecules. Here you can see all the reaction that is related to the chain structure of open structure of glucose. Okay, reaction with HI, reaction with hydroxylamine. Okay, reaction with acetic acid. Okay, acetic anhydride, reaction with acetic anhydride, then reaction with bromine water, all of them are important. Next, what are hormone? Some hormone, they will give you the name and they may ask you random question, they can ask from the hormone, like they will just take a name of a disease and they will ask the reason behind it. Okay, so structure, Howard structure for sucrose, maltose and lactose is very important. Okay, essential amino acid and non-essential amino acid, both it's important with example. Next you can see denaturation of protein. Okay, and next you can see types of protein, that is structure wise, primary, secondary, tertiary, secondary again beta helix, and those things you have to explain here. Okay, and another thing, that is reducing and non-reducing sugar, anomers, epimers, what is invert sugar, peptide linkage, that also you have to go through. Okay, I guess it is clear. Let's go. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. So these name reaction, Fittig reaction, Schwarz reaction, Woods reaction, Woods-Fittig, Finkelstein, Sandmeyer. These are the name reaction you must do. Anyone can come in your examination, direct question. Okay, Sedz-Evdol is very important. Question related to nucleophilic attack. Okay, SN1, SN2 mechanism you must do. Freons related question. That's it. Let's go ahead. Alcohols, phenols and ether. So here you can see cumin to phenol synthesis, Williamson ether synthesis, Lucas reagent related question, orthonitrophenol and other compound related acidity related question, salicylic acid preparation and the aspirin from the salicylic acid, and IUPAC name of aspirin. Very important question for this. Okay, now orthonitrophenol is steam volatile, but why not paranitrophenol? Okay, this type of question. Okay, how you should separate them. This type of questions are important. Coles reaction, Reimer-Tiemann, very important. Okay, so any kind of ether, okay, any kind of ether if it is treated with HI, limited amount of HI and excess amount of HI, and all these three mechanism, catalytic hydrogenation of alkene, dehydration of alcohol and formation of ethers. These three mechanisms are very, very important. Let's go ahead. Aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So definitely you have to learn for which case you will see aldol condensation and which case you will see Cannizzaro. So it's the matter of alpha hydrogen. So methanol and ethanol, this question is commonly asked. Okay, next, although phenoxide ion has more number of resonating structure than that of the carboxylate, carboxylic acid is a stronger acid. Why? Because in phenol you will see the negative sign, negative charge comes on the carbon atom, but in the carboxylic acid most electronegative oxygen is getting the negative sign, so it is more stable resonating structure. Okay, so next, chemical reaction, conversion of propane nitrile into corresponding ketones by using the phenyl magnesium bromide. Okay, and write the IUPAC nomenclature. HVZ reaction is super important. Next, HCN addition in carbonyl. Okay, so that is basically nucleophilic addition in carbonyl compound. It's a very important problem. I mean, question. NaHSO3 in the form of NaHSO3 also they can ask. So you will just have to show the attack and one tetrahedral intermediate it will form, and then if HCN is the nucleophile, then you will end up with the cyanohydrine, right? Let's go ahead. Okay, so phthalimide preparation from aromatic carboxylic acid, you have to just dicarboxylic acid type of thing you have to take. You have to treat this with ammonia, excess ammonia, right? So next, write the reaction involved in conversion of toluene to metanitrobenzoic acid. Okay, pK value is given, acidity order you have to arrange. Okay, and this type of problem where a series of reaction they will tell you and you have to find out A, B, C, D, whatever the things. So this type of problem we did in the organic portion. Okay, so please make sure you are watching them, and if you are not confident for that case, let me suggest you, if you are not confident for this type of problem, avoid this, because you will get a lot of OR questions, right? You will get like so many questions, among them you have to attempt 3, right? So you can avoid this type of question if you are not confident enough. Okay, so for this case you can start up with the material that they are giving and you can write the sequence of reaction and you will get the hint in between. Okay, so that's it. Let's go ahead with the amines chapter. It's a very small chapter but important. Some fixed questions only comes. Okay, Hinsenburg reagent and how you should distinguish the amines. Okay, para-hydroxyazobenzene. Okay, para-aminoazobenzene also it's important. Next, Hinsenburg reagent. Okay, already we did Hinsenburg reagent. Then Hoffman bromamide degradation is also very important. Carbylamine reaction is important. Next, basicity order is different for the amine in aqueous and gaseous phase. So that also you have to remember. Okay, so that's it. This is the overall outlook of most important question that you can face in your upcoming examination. So yes, these are just most important or highly focused zone, but along with that you need to practice more questions. Okay, entire 3 model papers are important, MCQs are important. Okay, so but these fixed questions, these are the focus zone, you can get common out of it. So yes, don't miss this question. So yes, if you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. give one thumbs up and share this with your friends to give them the benefits of it. Thank you so much.